3 powerful ways you should be using social proof to win clients. Tip number 1, leverage testimonials. After every project, ask satisfied clients for a testimonial. Feature these prominently on your website, across your social media profiles, because testimonials build trust and help potential clients feel confident about working with you. Tip number 2, share case studies. Do not just showcase the finished product. I've said this before, create brief case studies highlighting how you have helped a client improve their site, increase their sales, or grow their business. This provides tangible proof of your value instead of just an hourly rate or a project cost. Tip number 3, even if you are just starting out, use a personal or side project to build social proof early on. You don't need to have years of experience. Social proof is powerful no matter your stage, so showcase and demonstrate what you have done and share it out there for the world to see.